Gates open, they're up, missing boss. Isa pa nga, by the rail moving up is Mooney Money. Then comes Halo Star together with Lucky Find, Pride and Joy, and Elegancia is the early trailer as they make their first turn. Three runners parting it out. Lucky Find moves up to grab the lead. Mooney Money is in second. Down in third, Halo Star Boss. Isa pa nga is down in fourth, followed by Pride and Joy, and a long way back to Elegancia. Heading towards the back, two runners fighting it out for the lead. Lucky Find by the release, Mooney Money running on the outside. Halo Star, and down in fourth, watching them is Boss. Isa pa nga as they reach towards the last 800. Mooney Money running by the rail, running alongside second now is Halo Star. Lucky Find is fading out. Then here comes Boss. Isa pa nga. And moving up by the release, Pride and Joy as they swing towards the last 500. 2 and 3 still partying it out for the lead. Mooney Money running by the rail, Halo Star, and here comes Boss. Isa pa nga now coming in closer as they swing for home. Mooney Money running by the rail. Halo Star and Boss. Isa pa nga still in third with the last 150 more to run. Mooney Money over Halo Star and Boss. Isa pa nga still in third, and Pride and Joy with the last 100 meters more to run. The favorite Mooney Money winning this race of Halo Star. Then comes Boss. Isa pa nga, Pride and Joy, Lucky Find, and Elegancia comes in last.